Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, the seventh five-year plan presented to us, I very humbly submit, is not even worth the paper on which it is printed. Stop. About the direction my honorable friend has spoken, and I do not want to repeat the same. Stop. A plan which has no direction, a plan which is only meant for status quo, not only status quo, a plan which increases disparity and inequality, a plan which takes the country back economically, cannot be said to be a plan at all. Stop. The Planning Commission has expressed some pious hopes and said inflation is the main obstacle. Stop. Yes, you have identified it. Stop. But unfortunately, if I may make a little digression, the Planning Commission is a dumping ground for unwanted ministers. Stop. A man who is not doing good work has been dumped there. Stop. So you can see the seriousness of it. Stop. You have identified inflation. Stop. But how do you solve it? Stop. Era. The finance ministry, which is in charge, is taking steps towards increasing inflation. Stop. The industry ministry, the agriculture ministry, they are following policies which will increase inflation. Stop. So, for what purpose are you identifying a malady for which you have no remedy? Stop. Already the budget of this country is dependent on 75% loans from outside, and we have to go begging to the World Bank and other international monetary institutions. Stop. How can you plan when your budget is dependent to that extent on foreign resources? Stop. Only the other day we were told that rupees 5,000 crores are coming from the International Monetary Fund with all their conditions to which we have agreed. Stop. And these conditions have not been disclosed. Stop. All these will lead to further inflation. Stop. Era. Then we have an economy of shortages. Stop. When you are following a policy of economy of shortages, do you think that inflation can be contained? Stop. Who does not know that there is economy of shortages? Stop. Then there is black money. Stop. After the Supreme Court decision on the black bonds, even in black bonds there is a black market. Stop. Yes, there is a black market in black bonds. Stop. Do you think that with all these phenomena and all these policies and steps you will be able to contain inflation? Stop. And if you cannot contain inflation, and if inflation is allowed to go on, then as my friend asked, what is the plan worth for the poor of our country? Stop. Era. My friend said that today it is 37%, and I say it will go on increasing. Stop. in the international industrial sector. You have put some targets. Stop. But what is your industrial policy resolution of 1985? Stop.